Today I have some huge cookies from B Sweet. These look so good. I can't find the TikTok that I got them from anymore, but I'm so excited to try the biggest cookies, like the girth size that I have ever seen. So let's get into them. Start with this one with chocolate on top and M&Ms. Melty chocolate on top. This cookie is like so thick, 7 out of 10. Next up, this one, I really hope that's a Reese's on top. Huge chunk of peanut butter on the inside. And that is a pink Reese's on top. Love that whole thing of peanut butter on the inside and the peanut butter Reese's on top. 8.7 out of 10. We have this huge one. Oreos, sprinkles. Is that white chocolate on top? Let's find out. I love all that icing. It's like a cake batter flavor almost on the inside. These two are my winners for sure.